Hi guys, it's me, your math teacher Jello. In today's video, let's have another example on how to compute for the sample mean, sample variance, and sample standard deviation. But this time, let's use another way or alternative formula, and let's compare which method is most convenient for us. Without further ado, let's start answering our example. Example number 1. The following are the scores of 8 randomly selected students in grade 10. Take note of that, randomly selected. So, napili na to. So, such as 7, 8, 12, 15, 10, 11, 9, and 14. Compute the following: sample mean, sample variance, and sample standard deviation. So, guys, dito, so our N is 8, right? Kasi we have 8 randomly selected students. Okay? So, ang unang gagawin natin dito guys, gawa tayo ng table para hindi tayo mahirapan. Okay, so sa first column natin, so numberan natin sila. So we have number. And then for the second column, so we have the given data which is X, right? So we have X. Now, so for column 1, since we have 8, right? So 8 randomly selected. So we have 1 to 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? And then, yung X natin dito or yung given data, so, which are 7, 8. So, guys, tapat-tapat lang yan. 12, 15, 10, 11, 9, and 14. Okay? So, guys, after natin masulat yan, the next thing to do ay, very good. So, we need to get the summation of the second column, yung X natin. Okay? So, get the summation. So, ito ay, so 7 plus 8, plus 12, plus 15, plus 10, plus 11, plus 9, plus 14. So, the summation of X is equal to 86. Okay? Nasundan ako guys. And then, afterwards, so, compute natin si sample mean muna. So, sa letter A, ito. So, we have the sample mean. So, the formula is given by, do not forget, so X bar, okay, X bar is equal to the summation of, very good, X divided by N. Okay? So, summation of X, so which is 86. So, we can plug in or substitute 86 divided by 8. Since N natin ay 8, so N becomes 8. And then, our X bar or the sample mean, so gagamit tayo ng calculator. So, that is equal to, very good, 10.75. Gets? So, ganun lang kasimple guys. And then, since we have the sample mean or X bar is equal to 10.75, the next thing to do, yung third column naman natin. Okay, so ano nga ba yon? Sa previous video, tinuro natin yon. So, we have X minus X bar. Okay? Or the sample mean. So, meaning, yung mga X values natin from 7 up to 14, magsusubtract tayo ng sample mean, X bar natin, which is 10.75. Ganun lang kasimple. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, each data, eto, yung X natin na yan hanggang 14, magsusubtract tayo ng 10.75. Okay. So, dito guys, so we have 7 minus 10.75. So, 8 minus 10.75. 12 minus 10.75. 15 minus 10.75. And then, 10 minus 10.75. 11 minus 10.75, 9 minus 10.75, and last, 14 minus 10.75. Okay, so dito guys, isa-isa yan, subtract natin. So by the way guys, pinapakita ko muna yung previous solution natin, which is ito yon. Okay, and then, after this, papakita ko naman sa inyo kung paano pinaperform yung alternative method or formula. Okay? At kung saan kayo mas madadalian. Okay, so 7 minus 10.5 at rather 10.75 negative 3.75. It doesn't matter kung negative magiging sagot natin dyan. Later on naman, i-squared natin yan, kaya magiging positive din yan. So, subtract 8 minus 10.75, negative 2.75. 12 minus 10.75, that is equal to 1.25. Tama? So guys, comment nyo kung meron akong mali dito na na-compute. 15 minus 10.75 equals 4.25. And then 10 minus 10.75, negative 0.75. 11 minus 10.75, that is equal to 0.25, right? And then 9 minus 10.75, so that is negative 1.75. Okay? And then we have 14 minus 10.75, that is equal to 3.25. So what do we do next dito? Very good. So quantity x minus x bar, close squared. Okay, very good. So magiging x minus x bar squared. Okay. So dito guys, after natin ma-solve to, ito guys, i-squared natin yan. Bawat isa, itong mga to, yung sagot natin dito. Okay, kaya nga ito yon. And then yung magiging sagot dyan ito, i-squared natin yon. Gets? Okay, so negative 3.75 raised to the second power, that is equal to 14.0625. Let's write all the figures. Okay, which is 4 lang naman yun, para mas accurate yung sagot natin. And then, negative 2.75 squared, that is 7.5625. Nasundan ako guys. And then, 1.25 squared, that is 1.5625. Next, 4.25 squared, that is 18.0625. Okay? And then, so we have negative 0.75 squared, that is equal to 0.5625. And then 0.25 squared, that is equal to 0.0625. And then negative 1.75, that is actually equal to 3.0625. And last, 3.25 squared, that is 10.5625. Okay? So guys, dito, after natin makuha ito, ang gagawin naman natin ay, very good, we need to get the summation of the last column. So, summation. Nasundan ako guys. So, ganun lang kasimple. Summation of the quantity. So, guys, yung symbol nito ay summation. We need to get the total. Pag-add lang natin sila. Yun ang ibig sabihin nun. Okay? Minus summation of the quantity x minus x bar squared. Ito yun guys. Kinakopy lang natin. Equals. So, guys, ang gagawin natin dito ay ipag-add lang natin yan. So, this is actually equal to 55.5. Okay? So, 55.5 yung summation nito. And then, since we already computed for A, which is the sample mean, next sample variance. So, sa letter B, for the sample variance, the formula is given by, kung natatandaan nyo, sa previous video natin, s squared is equal to the summation of the quantity x minus x bar close squared. Okay, divided by n times the rather n minus 1. Okay. And then plug in. So guys, ito we need to substitute, right? Which is ito yung value niyan guys, ito yon 55.5. Ganun lang kasimple. Nasundan? And then so n minus 1, so n is equal to 8 minus 1. And then 55.5 divided by 7. So guys, gamit tayo ng scientific calculator. 55.5 divided by 7, that is 7.93. Okay? So 7.93, that is for the sample variance. 7.93. Nakuha? Okay. And then for the sample standard deviation, sulat ko muna. What do we know about sample standard deviation? Very good. That is actually the square root of the sample variance. So, meaning, this is equal to S. So, walang exponent yan guys. Kaya square root na to. Square root of, so guys, ito lang yon. Summation of the quantity x minus x bar squared over n minus 1. So, ito lang yun guys. Gawin nating radical or square root to. So guys, dito kaya sabi natin sample standard deviation square root ng sample variance. So meaning, since nakuha natin yung answer dito ng sample variance, plug in na lang natin. Okay? Kahit hindi tayo mag-isa-isa pa rito. So this is actually equal to 7.93. And then gamit tayo ng calculators, cycle, much better. So square root of 7.93, that is equal to 2.816 or 2.82. Round your answer up to 2 decimal places. So, our sample standard deviation is 2.82. Okay? Nakuha ba? So now, let's use alternative formula or method. Okay? I-prove natin na same yung answer natin sa 7.93 or sample variance and 2.82 for the sample standard deviation. Okay? So, this is the formula. Ayan. So, alternative formula in finding the sample variance, S squared is equal to N times the quantity of summation of x squared minus quantity summation of x close squared divided by or all over n times the quantity of n minus 1. And then, for alternative formula in finding the sample standard deviation, get the square root of this ng sample variance natin. Okay, so pakita natin. So guys, dito ang gagawin nyo lang. Napaka-simple. So we have a number. So we have 1 to 8, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. And then, we have x given data. So, we have 7, right? Okay. And then, we have 8. Tama? We have 12. Okay. And then, we have 15. 10, 11, 9, and 14. Okay, so guys, ang gagawin lang natin dito, get the summation. Okay? Summation ng x natin ay, okay, pag pinag-add natin yan, that is equal to 86. Okay. And then, since napansin natin, we have x squared, so meaning dito, meron tayong x squared. Saan ang galing? Dito sa formula natin. So, ibig sabihin guys, eto lahat ng x values natin, i-squared natin sila. So, 7 squared, 8 squared, 12 squared, etc. Okay? So, 7 times 7, that is 49. Nasundan ako? 8 times 8, 64. 12 times 12, that is 144. 15 times 15, 225. And then 10 times 10 is 100. 11 times 11, 121. 9 times 9 is equal to 81. And then 14 times 14, 196. Right? So guys, dito, since we have summation, ibig sabihin, ipag-add natin to. Gets? Okay. So, summation ng x squared natin. Ayan. Ibig sabihin, ipag-add lang natin yan, guys. So, we have 49 plus 64 plus 144 plus 225 plus 100 plus 121 plus 81 plus 196. That is equal to 980. Okay, so 980. And then, since nakuha na natin to guys, pwede na tayo mag-substitute dito. Okay. So, alam naman natin yung dito guys, balikan natin. Sample mean natin ay 10.75. Okay, now prove natin na same yung magiging answer ng sample variance and sample standard deviation using alternative formula. Okay, dapat 7.93 and 2.82. Okay, so guys, hindi ko na ipapakita yung letter A. So, letter B na tayo. Sample variance. So, the formula is given by S squared is equal to N times the summation of X squared close minus parentheses summation of X close squared. So guys, dito magkaiba yan. Okay? Kaya wag kayo malilito. And then all over N times the quantity of N minus 1. Gets? So now, dito, let's substitute. So your N here is 8. Tama? Okay, next. And then summation of X squared, which is ito yon guys. Tingin tayo sa table natin. So, 980 yan. Minus summation of X only. Summation of X, which is 86. And then, squared. Yan. Gets? And then, all over. So, N natin ay 8. So, 8 yan. Replace N by 8. Okay, minus 1. And then, we need to perform 8 times 980. So, 8 times 980. That is equal to 7,840. 7,840 minus 86 squared. That is 86 times 86. That is 7,396. 7,396. So, 8 times 1, 8 minus 1 is 7 times 8, 56. So, guys, dito, kapag pinag-subtract natin yan, yung sa numerator natin, that is equal to 444 divided by 56. And then, gamit tayo ng calculator, 444 divided by 56, that is equal to 7.928 or 7.93. Gets? Okay, let's compare. Balikan natin. So, sa sample variance, using this method, 7.93. And then, using alternative method or formula, ito yun guys, we proved na 7.93 din ang sagot. Okay? So, now, let's use alternative formula in finding the sample standard deviation. So, letter C. Sample standard deviation. So guys, nasusundan ba ako? So dito, we have the formula. Ito yun guys. S is equal to square root of. Ayan. So n times the quantity of summation of x squared close minus quantity summation of x close squared. Ayan. All over. So n times n minus 1. Okay. So guys dito, since eto na yan guys, square root lang naman ito yon. So ibig sabihin, pwede lang tayo mag-substitute kahit hindi tayo mag-isa-isa pa. Okay? So we will plug in square root of 7.93. Or pwede rin, kung gusto niyo naman pahirapan yung sarili niyo, pwedeng isa-isa. So 8 times summation of x squared, which is 980, minus summation of x, which is 86. So ganun din, babalik tayo dito. Yun nga lang, ito ay square root. Okay, so guys, ito using scientific calculator. So square root of 7.93, that is equal to 2.816 or 2.82. Okay, so tignan natin. So ayan ang sagot natin guys. And then 2.82. So na-prove natin na magkaparehas yung sagot using alternative formula or method. So which one is most convenient for you? Yung previous na solution ba natin o yung alternative formula? So kung saan kayo mas nadadalian or most convenient para sa inyo, yun ang gamitin nyo. Okay? So I hope na meron kayo natutunan